This project controls the speed of a DC motor using a PIC 16F877A microcontroller and an L293D motor driver. The microcontroller generates PWM signals to control speed. The L293D H-bridge regulates motor power. A potentiometer adjusts the PWM duty cycle, changing the motor speed. Code overview. PWM is generated using the microcontroller. The duty cycle determines motor speed. Higher duty cycle equals faster speed. Lower duty cycle equals slower speed. With this setup, we achieve precise DC motor speed control.